All right. Best Pill. I have a warning to Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo and Gina Sejo. Both of you are Shania Kiana and May Tiburcio. First of all, I say to you, Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo and Gina Sejo. Both of you are drug addict. Huh? You, Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, you're the one who stole the cell phone of Calvin Cuevas in Marikina. Ah, you want cyberbullying, Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, and Gina Sejo? Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, and Gina Sejo, deactivate all of your Facebook account, even your Facebook page, Best Pill. Arnel Guerrero Castillo, even you attempt to harass Shania Kiana, both of you, even teacher May Tiburcio, both of you try to harass her. Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, Jean Asejo, just leave them alone. And for both of you, Jean Asejo, Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, both of you should leave Luis Cabales. If I were you, I will brutal both of you. Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, and Gina Sejo. Best Pill, I will never forget for what you call me abnormal. I was telling the truth, you're the wanted by NBI, PNP. You know that, Best Pill. Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo. That is your consequence. You're the one who pushed that kid in SM Grad Central. Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, you are wanted because I saw the TikTok post from Dan Mardayaw and the post from uh, Kapuso Alliance. This Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, he's wanted by NBI, and he accused uh, um, Vico Soto. Vico Soto is not involved in issue. Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo. However, you're the one who did this to to Vico Soto. All right, I know what your consequence. So appreciate that your consequence. That is your fault. Do not blame. Oh, and first of all, Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, and Gina Sejo, I should put you in the enemy list, both of you, together with that I learned how to move on from Rodelio Daguman, Anthony Solares, Anya Santos Dumaloog, Jeffrey Beltran, Ivy Montalayola, even even um, that I learned how to move on. Oh, like I said, Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, and Jean Asejo, deactivate all of your Facebook account, all right? Because I know what both of you what you're doing. You're trying to messing other people their reputation. And now Shania Kiana has logged out her Facebook account and Messenger. Oh, because of both of you. Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo and Gina Sejo. And now look at teacher May Tiburcio. Oh, she deactivate she doesn't deactivate her Facebook account. Oh, she log out her Facebook account because she doesn't want to be disturbed. Oh, like I said, because she's focusing with her bonding with Rafael, Isabella, and her family. Oh, you Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo and Gina Sejo, both of you are trying to mess other people in group chat in Facebook through Messenger. I've never used Messenger. I never use Messenger anyway. I read in Facebook only. I read only. I never use Messenger. Oh, Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, and and Gina Sejo, do not disturb us in chat. However, we are all busy. Gio Malana is busy in teaching in US. Oh, Teacher JD is busy in teaching in Katiplan, in Mindoro, in Katapalan, oh, in Mindoro. She's busy. Even others are busy. Oh, we're all busy. Patrick Eason is busy. Oh, Shania Kiana is busy. Me, I'm busy in playing PS4. I'm busy wiping the plates and downstairs. We're all busy. Even teacher Evelyn is busy also. Oh, Lorraine Shook is busy. Oh, even I said it. We're all busy. Calvin Cuevas is busy. Oh, in his business in Secret Game Base. Oh, Ma'am Jessa Fernandez is busy for for being a housewife. Eh, both of you trying to disturb us. Bespil, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, and Gina Sejo. What both of you are doing anyway for making a disturbance? We're all busy. Luis Cabales is also busy in the church. Oh, do not disturb us. Do not involve us in our name. Bespil, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, and Jean Asejo. However, when you make bullying, I don't know what you're talking about, both of you. So beat it. So here's my warning anyway to Bespil, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, and Gina Sejo. Just please, both of you, just stop uh, messing us. However, we are all busy. Thank you.